Yo, what's up guys? Today we're back in another video. And bro, why is there a lot of people? I'm using my other account right now because my friend is using my other account. I'm gonna use for parkour. Okay, let's do a 1v1. Guys, if you wanna view on my videos, please like and subscribe. And tomorrow I'm gonna be live using my #1 PC right now. Okay. Let's go into guys, don't forget I suck at this game at my phone. No, dude. Why bro gotta be on PC? Why bro gotta be on PC? Why bro gotta be on PC, bro? I suck. I suck. I suck, bro. Di ako kad nagkakaon.
Dito na. Hindi ka na dito.
Okay, I suck at this.
Umalis na si dito namin. Malis na. Dito na lang. Tama na tayo. Tulog dito. Dito na. Oras na ta. Pagbugot ko mo.
Dude!
Hoy,
Why you give me...
namin kang magkaon pa na igtakrat turunan dito
Dude, why did it restart?
Daman ba gagawin mo din?
Balero ka. Sa pinakataas!
Malilit. La la la.
Hello. You won. My little brother, guys, again. Nya! Yuan, come here. Drink ko ni. Yo, bro, why did bro? Stop! Can't play.
Papaviral ko to. Wala pa lang cellphone, ha? Oh, kita mo.
We're gonna test out the new spear in Roblox Rivals. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe if you wanna watch more. I lost to that guy, sorry. If you wanna see me play Murder Mystery 2, comment down Murder Mystery 2 or subscribe. Yeah,